ovugiro tutegereza kutyo. I think the next presenter will be giving us the audited accounts for the year ended 2022 and matters arising. This will be by Mugoya and Associate Certified Public Accountants. Yes. We will invite the person in charge to take us through that. You are welcome. Now I don't know which microphone is working better, because now for a smart man like this one, you use the one which will stop on the way. Sir, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Mr. Guest of Honor, sir. Mr. Chairman, Chairperson Busifas and your board. Distinguished guests, invited guests to this AGM, religious leaders, ladies and gentlemen, protocol observed. I am here on behalf of Mogoy and Associates. My name is Simeon Okotobo. I'm an associate of Mogoy and Associates, Certified Public Accountant. I am so delighted. First of all, before I present this board report and audited financial statements, allow me to echo one or two things. One is that I am but a good messenger. The Honorable, once Honorable is ever Honorable. Honorable Madame Munyira, Rose Munyira.
Yes.
She was here before the audience, and she left for a burial in Tororo. She gave me this message, passed to you, that Kia needs a bank. And which other bank? Busifas Bank.
Wow.
Why? Because it's a source of livelihood in this community.
Yes.
It's a source of livelihood. School fees will be paid from this bank. First and foremost, we are next to the church. Don't you think we need to put something for God there every Sunday or almost every day? And where will it come from? From this bank. In fact, we need a bank here for school fees. We are happy. Is it Moza and Gail? Thank you very much for your presentation. We need a big clap for these young ones here. Would it be possible if these young ones were not here? That would come from this bank. With that notwithstanding, allow me to embark on
some interjection, members. The members of in this tent were suggesting that for his report you allow me interpret.
Okay.
They are highly interested in hearing what you are saying. Members, who be never honavera lukubonda at the Yanjiro Hudamadama, very end of Baha, Bo Honorable Rose Minira Vera Mulehere, Namuva Homa Bolerati, es was not yet a bank. A bank I hoire ban Neo Busifas, see bank I indi, Takira Hubira Umahono. So when we clamped that, they were concerned and they said they needed to get the interpretation.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
But I will allow him to talk, then I'll be coming in where necessary. In the interest of time. Thank you, sir.
Now, on my own exposure within this country, Uganda, Republic of Uganda, and outside Uganda, you will realize that you are a blessed group of people. For sure. Clap for yourself.
Aboda ati kwehubiraho mahono okwemana kubyawo eneho eko kuba nende ebintu koti bino biti webale koti bandu balina omukisa.
Do you know that the circle is the best business model in the world?
We mumanyire mu kisako niyo ndala business ekihoere ekihira obulayi muno.
Right now, just take exposure base to Western. Go to Barada, go to Masaka, and you will be amazed.
Ati sibasinyalihaho hasi alireho embarara emasaka kwabona bibandu bahona okubita musako.
You have shares in the billions, you have savings in the billions.
Abantu bavihe sente kyawe kiri mu billions, nanu billion bamusamya ndayidanga endye. Musende mubudukunyi.
And those humble members, any different from us here?
Abantu abo sibenjawulo muno koti ngefwe naye nga abantu sakoti efwe bali anu.
Many of us here have crossed to Kenya here, just our neighbors here. If you see what is happening there in Sakos, you just shake your head. You may not have any word to say.
Aboda tinosi ade Kenya we unjako koti hoda omwene bosi kinako hayase choboda.
So I would wish to request you to relay your fears. Embrace this concept of Sako and you will grow. Think big and you will become big. Think small, you remain small. Thank you very much.
Aboda ati kukiso kutya kwekwe basa kadidi oche usikada noli mutono mumbaseyo nino basa musihongo wichofuna mungeri yoba tira mu muhongo bwachyo.
Now let me take this pleasure to present to you audited financial statement for Busifas for the year ended 31st December 2023.
Ati hairo mukisa kuno otubisya mu report yaye okwema nende koti lumyaka pia haba nabo decho.
As I told you by law, I am supposed to read you a report of independent auditors on the financial statements ended 31st December 2022.
Ati kwemana kumateka aho ero tusomera report iyo okwemana nende koti lukwamalirisa ebyefuna omwaka kwa 2022 ni kuwere.
We have audited these financial statements of Busifas School Integrated Farmers Busifas Sacco Limited.
Ati babitire mu statement kyekwe kyosi.
This comprise statement of financial position, statement of comprehensive income, cash flow statement, notes to the financial statements.
Ati statement kyabana bade ekyo kitati kindi mutusanya njibirire naye nga kyosi kidisania niye unje ebitabo bidisania.
Allow me to say this, that I may not read all this.
Ati anyalo butasoma byosi byandikibwe.
I will just give you the key points and summaries.
Ati choba na bitamu summary niyo bitamu budidi okwemana nende bihahulo beresitabo sino naboda ati asisomesi yose bamama kuba kunaweyo.
Because we have, like I said, this audit financial statement comprise statement of financial position, that is the traditional balance sheet, statement of comprehensive income, that is the traditional trading profit and loss accounts, cash flow statement, changes in equity, and summary of significant company policies and explanatory notes. All that is included here. Now, in our opinion, after going through all this and getting all the necessary explanations and information necessary for our audit, in our opinion,
aboda ati niba hambado bita mubitabo byekwe byosi ezenjo hosanga bitabo kudobera statements nyingi kyukukosesa okugada sikudange sitabo oba records kyepeche byesende.
In our opinion, the financial statements give a true and a fair view of the financial position of Busifas School Integrated Commerce Circle Limited as at 31st December 2022.
Abodati okubona kukwewunja kwawe embozi fe anano yo Milton kuilanga hutie yaliwo okwekesa mbwe ebintu birukenda bidayi mu statement kyosi kyukozesa okwandika ebitabu nende okubiha kwesente nende engeri kikozesebwamu.
And it is comprehensive income, cash flows, and changes in equity for the year then ended in accordance with international financial reporting standards and the Cooperative Sites Act.
Aboda tibidiranya nende mateka katuka cooperatives.
We conduct our audit in accordance with international standards on audit.
Ati bahoda okwemana nende amateka akemerera kubyembalirira kyesende.
Allow me to go to key audit matters.
Ati hayewunjeho ku bintu bididi bibewunjaho ni bahoda audit.
Now, key audit matters are those matters that in our professional judgment were of most significance in our audit of financial statements for the current period.
Ati bibewunjaho koti bihulundu muno ni ebindi byo ebye bibabona bati ni ebihoyerwe bibene bidiribwaho okwemana ku biha bibaba ni bali ohoda audit mu behavior nende byetagisibwa.
I want to assure you that in this case there are no key audit matters to report on.
Abodati niwe unja mu bintu bino mumamu ebintu byonya wewunja koti byamani muno and ebidirana nende audit okwemana ku reporting ndi tuwa reporting aho.
And that is in agreement with what the chairperson of SUPCO reported right here.
Ati sio sifukiriswania nende report yefwe eya chairperson ayira okebera emirimo kyefwe kya bulida byabolerano.
So the internal audit chairperson read the report, and as if he had seen our report also, and they are in total agreement. There are no key audit report matters.
Abodati niye unja mu report ya eya chairman SUPCO nende report yawe esekesa mbwe chidakudirana ko ni mosi baliko tibabera adadate udaya hode bano bosi bahode yawe nandi buli mundu ahode mu bihabye mbwe mirimo kyasa ko koti tukikiririra bali mukongo waje ku supervising.
And this we didn't get any oversight in making that.
Abodati ano aumirewe kosa lyosi.
So as auditors, our responsibility for auditing of financial statements, our objectives are to obtain reasonable assurance about whether the financial statements as a whole are free from material misstatements.
Abodati boko auditors mulimo kwawe no kwewunja kubona mbwe ebintu byo koti lu reports kigenda asi oba koti lu business ikiririra yumaho esintu syosi esitataganya kusente kikubani kukozesa oba ebyefuni byefwe.
Whether due to fraud or error, and to issue an auditor's report that includes our opinion.
Abodati uba ngomundu atahire okosesa sente kudwa ngomundu oba okudwana kana nende mateeka akatuka ebyesende okwemana kukubona kwawe.
And therefore,
ati bunanu
the internal control of this circle is free from material misstatements.
Milton baso ulire statement aboda ati bunanu siekesa mbwe obutuki bwefwe bw'omukati niyo badanga internal controls okubona mbwe weno kusesitiyo omulimo gwawo n'okusesitiyo handi sohoda mulimo kundunya soko wasye kuzoda hewo fune wengane ati biri bidayi.
And therefore we communicated with those charged with governance regarding, among other matters, the planned scope and timing of the audit and significant audit findings, including any significant deficiencies in internal controls that we identify during our audit. Okay. Report on other legal and regulatory requirements. As required by the Cooperative Sites Act, we report to you based on our audit. One, that we have obtained all the information and expression which, to the best of our knowledge and belief, were necessary for the purposes of our audit.
Abodati okwemana kumateka kawe ba akabatukani bakoda emirimo kikwana kiti baboda ahahasambwe bafuna obuhahafu bwosi kubindu byosi bibadaha okukonyeresaho koti bimateka kabagaidinga.
Two, in our opinion, proper books of accounts have been kept by the SACCO so far as appears for our examination of those books.
Abodati bitabo bibere birindibwe bidai okwemana koti bodu babibona.
And therefore, the SACCO statement of financial position and statement of comprehensive income are in agreement with the books of account.
Abodati report yefu ya SACCO yebyesende idisanya nende bitabo ebibade esende.
Honorable guest of honor, statutorily, by law, I am supposed to rest my case there and probably give highlights on the shadow of depreciation.
Abodati okwemana kumateka ali supposed kumalirawo presentation yae naenga yaba osajjasinga ye alinde byatwekesaho. Now that shadow of what?
Shadow of depreciation.
Eyo yikayireyo sibana befwe. Manyiro mundi yabo da account sipoleranga bane ndiwe no manyiro hone kabati. Ota baso piaso ma account ya hukira.
Yeah, shadow of depreciation is on page 14, which I wanted to highlight here that not property and equipment, that is a shadow of depreciation. Assets, we have many assets. Like we have furniture and fittings, we have the safe, we have a computer and accessories and the office equipment. All these assets depreciate. So that's why we say a schedule. It has tear and wear over time for a financial year. So here we have furniture, safe, computer accessories and office equipment. The additions were only in the computer and accessories, which was 18,324,100. Then office equipment 3,500,000. So furniture and equipment were depreciated, and the net value as that first December 2022 was 8,601,167. Safe was depreciated, and the net value was 3,417,187. Computer and accessories was depreciated, and the net value was 28,165,956. Office equipment was depreciated, net value was 8,293,127. So,
basa agodati irwe byuma bikukozesa bikuli nabyo nayenga byosi koti bikukozesa bikofuna koti nokula bajaji ulita ade itani hendera bali usinisi ifo bodanga bwede bani edita hendera lyonga nebunani byuma bikukozesa binabolera ati ulino kuba nendengeri kubye unjira buli mwaka bidongi sebali yakaitie. So niyo bya abanakesa hotwekesa ati save isiri nende bunyada si obo kuba na niye unja computer itoho dabakali na ni iri kuba yusina udwandidwe sende.
So
ati bunanu,
so the net after depreciation net assets for the year 31st December 2022 was 48,477,437.
aboda tinyamaliro tusaho nanu obukofu bwebindu kubindu bikuli nabyo koti byuma assets tikuli nacho kiera mu million ana umwenda.
And therefore, after that, we get the total depreciation value, we take it to the statement comprehensive income. The statement comprehensive income is on page 12, which says we presented in a comparative manner 2022 and 2021. So interest from loans, it was 26,102,563. The total income for that year was 56,763,163. So the total expenditure was 33,708,991. So it gave us a net surplus of 12,065,658.
aho basa niyo chairman yabera bolereko surplus niyo balance ya interest kumagoba kekwe ake milioni 14 jinga na kibiri.
Yes. So as I end in the statement of financial position, that is the traditional balance sheet, the property, plant and equipment was 48,477,437, which I read before. Inventory was 952,275. Trade and other receivables, those are loan balances and other data. It was 65,369,564. Cash and the cash equivalent, cash at hand and cash at bank, as at that time, 1,420,176. Investments, you recall that Busifa has investments there. The agro what?
That new investment, the
agro shop, the mattress sale, and
solar lights,
the solar and the mobile money. So it came to 32,634,481. So it comes to current assets 100,376,296, which when you add to fixed assets 48,477,437, it comes to total assets 1,148,853,733. So that one equates. It compares with the equity and liabilities. Member shares 43,340,000, as the chairman said in his report. The capital grant of 9,650,000. Retained earnings 6,010,834,159. It comes to with trade and other payables 85,029,574. It comes to 148,853,733. So that is the book value, the worth of Busifa, the book value. The book value. That is not the sellable value in case the institution winds up and you want to sell it. It is a book value. Now, you realize that here, 2022, 148,853,733. 2021, 182,050,934. Why? You remember we have been going through pandemic. That was the COVID. That is the situation which gave us that outlook.
Basa, sio niyo sijamanya, sialu nyonyoda no, niyo sijamanya vere natu nyonyoda. Engeri yukuna yefu yebyesende ya henderere komu. Otitabo that is okwe mana ko tuwa bitamu COVID. Abandu bahiro bungi kwali ku withdrawing kasi ku savinga. So kwa abanga mukundire mu those challenges nga there is a difference mu growth.
So Mr. Kesomana and dear members, operators, thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much.
I have a report here, auditor. Thank you so much. We want to appreciate you and always request that be with us. Thank you for being part of us, and that will energize us more. We take all the criticisms and the learnings. Who look at presentation in the this would be budget presentation and approval. Na omuhayo yona techa uliano nende budanda kubecha befwe muskanda adahiro yona sutu wako presentation. Faith, where are you? Faith olina ndaba saba fukirire omanye the Bible ibona eti asaba berese bwada fukirireho. You allow this girl has requested us 4 times at least to have a presentation after seeing the friends. I allow that we cooperate her.
Okay, so
as Christine prepares. Then we also have Stanbic Bank, like I said, they are updating our accounts on the internet. So please feel free to walk there with your ID. It is free. Mugonda biri bitye bakutuze hesen. Biri free ira yo side ndi bakwa updatinga. Bamama oira yo side ndi bakwa updatinga adano da hutunge sende nuwe olere muskanda. Sibe kusungwa kwa hanje mbone Rashid handisi robo ire sende. Leo dase sende kusi munotunga. Niyo bistani bikiru tuhonyo huteresa awo. Faith udembo udulirete.
Udembo udulirete. Aho bere Faith hakisa. Yes.
Ojo kwembano linde microphone kwa seno.
Lady kidia.
Hallelujah. Metakanga misefes omuju wasifuna mure na waya waya muya wala.
Webale. DJ mbabo ready DJ sada hisa.
DJ.
Ome ngwe musohe mumubira ho mahono mwenga. aya mani muchemu ihala no mubisana
Kwe musi.
ihale mubisana
Kwe musi.
yes
Kwamba mahono zo hupili. Upamire ho muhasiye no mwana oyo.
nani amwibula yete aliona hadi yete alinende obwongo bwaye bw'omundu ali bukosa bidayi yete kumwebase
Kwebase ho mbere eye no mwana oyo. Na mahono busasa kujombese. Kwe musi. Iriye kwa milioni yo kujamu kiro mu mudada. Nabana ne bakubona niberu habibyo sa munyumba bene kire makongo dada. Nibonana bona hana ene akego banga hanyaro kwema mu group y'abantu ya. Cause how abanga hemba ni hakina ane ne stage art ane ne kulisindu. So siri byangu
basa koti duhu mwe basa na efere mnyadeti babona bati apate moja apate mbili apate tatu. Asante sana. Josaba omundu adondaho budget presentation and approval. Are you ready? Yes. I'm seeing her, she is ready. After her communication, we shall have communication from the district commercial officer. Since we have had that interlude, we shall go straight to the introduction of the invited cooperators by the chairperson in the interest of time. Christine Karibu.
MC.
Ba members who see on the presentation, Saba Kutekerese.
Our guest of honor, protocol observed. You're taking a habitono. Yeah, no, who presenting estimated annual budget 2023. Umwena Meta na Wile Christine, Gahola treasurer, Busifas. Item we saw her, which over the incomes. Umwaka kwa 2023, usubira okuingisa aba members 205 emiliyoni 2,205. Interest on loans usubira okuingisa emiliyoni 4 emitwalo 14 15,908. Loan application forms usubira okuingisa emiliyoni 4 n'emitwalo 5. Loan processing fee usubira okuingisa emiliyoni 9 n'emitwalo 7. Passbooks usubira okuingisa emitwalo 85. Loan protection funds usubira okuingisa emiliyoni 3 emitwalo 23 1,334. Fines and penalties usubira okuingisa emitwalo 95 791. Interest earned from bank usubira kuingisa emitwalo 5 2,132. Other incomes coach cooperative kulina the investments people inacho kusubira mu investments echo like kulina the mobile money kusubira mu commission okuingisa emiliyoni ndala emitwalo 8. Kwaba nende investment yindi eya Grovet eyo kuyisubiramu okuingisa emiliyoni 5. Kwaba nende tenda eyo butale mu tendering obutale kusubira okuingisa emiliyoni 2,400. Toto yose mu nyingisa y'okusubira omwaka kuno kusubira okuingisa emiliyoni 7,2 emitwalo 13 723. Eyo niyo enyingisa y'okusubira omwaka kuno okwa 2023. Kutya kunsasanya kusubira okusasanya kuti mu mwaka kuno okwa 2023 kunende personal expenses. Under that we have salaries kusubira okusasula emisaala ek'emiliyoni 19 emitwalo 8. Kwaba nende administrative costs awoni omuyikira loan recovery kusubira hosa emiliyoni 2 transport kusubira hosa emitwalo 9 mobilization and sensitization kusubira hosa emitwalo 5 welfare kusubira hosa emitwalo 2 fuel kusubira hosa emitwalo 5 electricity kwasubira hosa emitwalo 5 mugumu endelifu mukaga office rent offices yefa wechiri buli mwaka kusasula emiliyoni 2 n'emitwalo 4 buli mwaka office supplies kusubira hosa emitwalo 4 airtime kusubira hosa emitwalo 5 marketing and advertisement kusubira hosa emiliyoni 1 n'emitwalo 5 repair and maintenance kusubira hosa emitwalo 2 stationery kwasubira hosa emitwalo 85 condolence kwasubira hosa emitwalo 3 annual subscription kuline ne software yako tulumuwulire kuchoba ni kuyisasulira buli mwaka emiliyoni kichoba 2 n'emitwalo 4 public relationship kwaba n'emiliyoni 1 n'emitwalo 2 professional expenses kuline consultancy emitwalo 5 eje emitwalo 5 emiliyoni 5 n'emitwalo 23 governance expenses awoni omuli board transport fund committee transport fund ebyasi kuterewo kusiweerezanga abantu kulw'okudaha Busifas financial charges kunene interest paid on loans emiliyoni 7 emitwalo 87 985 loan processing fee paid kulinende emiliyoni 4 emitwalo 21,534 bank charges kwaba nende emitwalo 15 enusu 432 kwaba nende other expenses ebikwawo sibiraka nga swa budgetingira kwabitereho emiliyoni 2 emitwalo 62 kwafuna toto yose eyesasanya emiliyoni 57 emitwalo 8 elifu ndala emyaka 356 niwe wunja enyingisa yihusubira kuyingisa omwaka kuno nomala otusaho ensasanya yihukyosasanya wakudonga nende surplus yani amagoba emiliyoni 14 emitwalo 33 kakaaga 7 kwaba nende capital budget kusubira mwaka kuno kwa 2023 kusubira okulayo commercial lorry wafe emitwalo 6 emiliyoni 6 then kwadaha kuleyo motorcycle ituhonya homo recoveries wakatinga kusubira okulayo motorcycle ye miliyoni 5 awe nawo eyo niyo presentation yange mufukire mbebase olwokwica kwemwe mwesi mwebale muno tuwagira mwebale okudaha Busifas uliwo okubaweereza paka last mwebale muno
webale Madam Christine in the presentation eyenda yiyo basaba members mwakawulira esintu kyose nokoda notasi budgetingira kasoma ireko enyigisa nende esasanya lwinakende onyala okomulina so Busifas yetegeranga ebyo byose kwemusi
Yes.
Fukirire nandirise aba bahotra ebugiri kuri hano rero mwamyese yareke representing abantu babebugiri mwamyese bubiraho abantu banyano we bano kwita baba
Mwamyese okwema kosa abantu bakubona ulete ekyo kwikasasi okide ngosoda kwe
kwemusi omanye Yesu
akera nikote ndiyeme umuyoyo obiwanye
ndabuzabuza ndiyeme rushwanazigambe.
Let's go on the next item.
Yes.
Here we have communication from the district commercial officer. Madam, you're welcome. Okay. How about you can use this one? But mangeni ado madumanga ho tusamia na yali munyankole. Will you also be able to? Oh, you need to put it. Okay. By the way, kulo ebikanda habasaba mufukirire ukosolule midlala members kende speak. Obusoma bunyite mukongeyo. Ya niyo lwabere bambolere.
Thank you, MC. Protocol observed. Good afternoon. I'm Okia Zipora. The famous Mangeni retired. He is now in the West. So I'm here for the department. Maybe additional clarification is I'm not the district commercial officer, but I'm the commercial officer. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
First of all, I must thank this organization. We appreciate you so much that in the district we take you now like a model circle. We have always sent people to you. We tell them go and learn from Sikuda, Busifas Sikuda Integrated. Not just because you are here, but because of your performance. Thank you so much for your performance. All what I'm going to say is going to come from the presentations you have been giving, because that's our part. We are technical, we only advise. First, I want to talk about the savings. It's true that we've gone through a difficult time. The economy itself is not favorable. COVID was also there, it affected us so much. But we must remember, this is called a savings and credit cooperative. Meaning at whatever cost, at whatever problems we are going through, we must make sure that we save, because that's what we are. The savings is the blood of this circle. So without savings, it will not live. The board, we appreciate all that you do, but there is one thing you have forgotten, that is floating the shares. Where you have reached now, I expected in your budget that item of floating shares for members. Floating shares means, as a board, you agree that this year, let's put out this number of shares for members to buy. That's the only way you are going to increase your capital. When I look at all the activities you're doing now, you are already disqualifying yourselves from being a savings and credit cooperative. You are already a multi-purpose cooperative. Because you realize you're doing trading, you're doing farming, you are service providers, you are all that you have mentioned. So the advice I give you is, look at your bylaws, make changes, and apply for a multi-purpose cooperative. It is even going to be much better than the savings and credit. Because like now when you are in a savings and credit, you're looking at savings and a few shares. But when you go now to multi-purpose, you will majorly be looking at your shares. And it's the shares that are going to bring you bigger interest. The savings will be there just to keep the members coming into the circle. Somebody saves her small money, she has got a problem, she runs to withdraw it.